You gotta, you gotta,
You gotta, you gotta,
you gotta, you gotta, you gotta.
you gotta, you gotta.
Okay, you're walking down the block with your hoodie sweater on. You're turning up the tunes and what you gotta do is on. I'ma elevate your mind, this goes out from me to you. And then you start wondering about things you gotta do. You wake up in the morning just to see sunshine. You gotta get yourself to work before you run out of time. You gotta get them papers on the desk before deadlines. And now the boss is sweating you and now you gotta resign. You gotta watch your every dollar you spend. Cause when the landlady knocks, you can't pay your rent. You gotta come out the mouth with some small comment. And then you find yourself empty living on pavement. You gotta turn off the lights when your bill is high. You gotta hide the numbers that you get your girls nearby. And then you gotta explain the numbers you just playing. I had to throw that verse in. You gotta know I'm playing. Gotta watch your back because your voice is foul. And when you're in the workplace, you gotta courtesy smile. You gotta take care of yourself and your wife and child, or you're gonna pay child support for a long while. You gotta manifest all the beats and rhymes. And when you gotta get yours, you know I gotta get mine. You gotta, you gotta,
You gotta, you gotta, you gotta.
You gotta, you gotta.